Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're doing another Ipsy bag unboxing. So I filmed my June Ipsy bag unboxing, and then the very next day I got the July. So July came in July. We are the middle of July and I already have this bag. So the two videos are probably going to go up back to back because I haven't even edited the June video yet. So, but we're going to go ahead and get this one unboxed and then I'll get these up. So the July bag came in a bag. So this is how I was expecting the June bag to come. But the June bag came in a box with the bag separate. But this is literally how the July bag came, which is what I expected of the, like I said, the June bag. So we are going to go ahead and open this up and see what I got. So the first thing that's in here is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. And I do not remember if that was an item that I picked or if that was selected for me. I really honestly do not remember. Next item in here, I don't even know the brand. Basic Beauty, and it says Bronzy AF, and so this is a bronze palette. So it does have a plastic covering over it, and you've got 3 bronze shades. So it kind of looks like light, medium, and dark. And there are names on the back, but I'm not even going to begin to try and pronounce them, because the first one I'm not even sure on, so we're just going to put that back in the bag. And again, I will leave the prices down below of what each item is worth because I do not know. The next item that is in here is a blush. This is an ombre blusher, and this is completely wrapped still, but it's called South Beach Ombre Blusher. And then there's the picture on the back. It's kind of like goes from orangey coral pink. The next thing in here, I know that I picked this, and this is a hyaluronic acid plus RNA depuffing dark circles relief eye serum. So this is an eye cream that I did pick. This is one of the things that I did get to choose. And then the next thing is a palette. So they all come in this bubble wrap, which I do like to keep it safe. So this is Sun Goddess, a 4-shade face palette. And it looks like maybe the brand is Hip Dot. I don't know. Most of this is brands that I have never heard of. So it looks like maybe highlight, blush, bronzer, all in one palette. And again, I don't know if I chose this or this was chosen for me, but that is what we got. So that is everything that is in the bag that I received. It does have a card in here that says Stay Golden. And then there were 2 items in here that were add-on items that I did pick out and I did choose and I paid extra for. So the first is the Olaplex number 0 hair treatment. This is an intensive bond building hair treatment. Primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. You guys know how much I love Olaplex. I use Olaplex weekly. I absolutely love it, and I had never tried this specific product. It's fairly new, and when I saw that it was one of the add-ons, I immediately picked it up. And then the next thing I picked up is another blush, because you know that 2021 is the year of blushes. And so this is a Patrick Ta blush, and I got shade She's Seductive. I have never tried anything from Patrick Ta, so I thought now is as good a chance as any. I love the packaging. It's like a rose gold pink. I absolutely love it. And so this is just a powder blush. So unlike his other ones that are like creamy, you've got the cream and the powder, this is just a blush. So there's the blush. It's almost bronzy to me, but I think it'll work. So I'm really excited to play with that. So that is everything that I got in my July Ipsy bag. If you guys have Ipsy, I would love to hear what you guys got. What do you think of the bag? I am still on the fence as to whether or not I'm going to keep it. And I may have already canceled it. I don't really know. To be honest, I was really, really mad one day and I sent an email and I'm not sure if I officially canceled or if I didn't, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep it? Should I try the like Luxe bag that comes in August, or should I just bow out now and say I'm done? Let me know. And somewhere on the screen, I will leave the total value of my bag. Like I said, this bag was $25 plus there's some taxes involved. So it was like $27 and some change. And then of course I had the add-on products. So without taking out the add-on products, I will leave the value of the box. I definitely think that the value of, well, I mean, I know the value of the box is greater than $25. The eye cream was like $128 or something, which is crazy because it's 15 milliliters. It's a half an ounce. It's really, really tiny, and it was really, really expensive, or the retail value was really expensive. So I know that the value of the box was more than $25, but I will leave the total value down below. And that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video.